Welcome to Team Axle Stands. In today's video we'll be going to the wrecker, getting a few bits and pieces, and I'll be catching you up pretty much to where we are with the project. So showing you a few different things, shifter cables, throttle bodies, radiators, those kind of things. So yeah, stick with us. Here at the wrecker, looking for the Honda section, which is not where I usually come, so I don't have a clue where it is. We'll find it. We've got an 04 CRV with a K24. We're looking for that front engine mount there, so we'll grab that one. So this is a K-series CRV manual. So we'll grab the intermediate shaft out of this. Don't see too many of these in the wreckers, so it's a good find. So these are the two parts that I ended up from the wrecker today. From the CRV, this is the intermediate shaft that goes between the gearbox and the driver's side in Australia, passenger side in US axle. And then this is the mount that comes off the front of the engine, which is a real pain to get off. Had to lift the engine up a bit to get it out. But yeah, this is all we should need from the CRV. So the rest of the stuff will be cord, I think. We've got another wrecker searching for a CRV. Hopefully to get the shifter cables from it. So I think we got lucky with this one. We've got the cables there. And the shifter in there. So we're taking the shifter out from inside. And we've undone all the cables. So hopefully these will now just pull through. So this is the Integra 01 to 06, I think, DC5 5-speed box. And what I did is I searched online and found the same part number was on CRV, which got me looking at CRVs, which are much more common in wreckers here. And it does look like it's going to fit. And the holes line up, so I think we're good. I think we've got a alternative. The shifter is slightly different to the Integra one, apparently, or RSX. But yeah, we'll get it bolted up and have a look. I think we have all gears, so that's a win. I've just got it set up like this to test it, and it all looks good. Another delivery from AliExpress. This time got a shifter mounting plate, the shifter grommets, and an adapter for the temperature sensor. So that's pretty cool. So we've got the shifter cables sorted. They go through one of these grommets, linked up. Because it's right-hand drive, we can use this kind of location. I know lots of Americans like coming through, this part. So we have the luxury of kind of having a nice clear space over here. On the inside, it's a bit messy in here, but on the inside, they come around here and up through here. So yeah, should work out alright. And I think the cover can go back on the front, cover this up a bit. So yeah. So before I put the throttle body on, this is what it looks like. It's the stock 62, I think, millimeter intake, but I've given it a port out to 70, and that's what this adapter is. And then we'll put the 70mm throttle body on the top of this. So this just adapts between the RSX type and this Accord. So a few things done on the K24 in the EG. We've got a radiator now. This is a DC5 RSX, Americans call it, radiator, and I've just got the single fan, and it's very, very tight. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very, very tight fit, but fits. We had to do a little bit of modifying to the bonnet just there to miss the cap. The reason we went that is I was hoping to use the kind of aftermarket half-size one, but it just wouldn't fit. It's too squeezy with this manifold. I think I've seen people use them, but not with this kind of stock TSX Accord Euro manifold, so couldn't do that. We've also got our 70mm throttle body. This is at a V6 Accord bracket, so that's an option for anyone that needs it, and we're using the stock throttle cable that goes back around there. So that's a pretty easy mod. Radiator hoses, this is kind of an aftermarket one for the top, and down there is the stock RSX or DC5 lower hose. What else have I done? Seems like I've been doing lots of stuff, but not all little bits, and all pretty boring for the camera. Obviously we've got the heater hoses that go back there now. We've got the headers on, most of the exhaust on, so we're really getting there now. That's a wrap for this video. If you did like it, please give us a like, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. We're close to getting this thing started, and then yeah, we'll take it out and give it a drive hopefully. We're going with a sleeper look for now. I've got hubcaps to put back on, and then eventually we'll get some wheels and start doing the suspension and stuff. So yeah, plenty more content to come. Stick around.